How to draw a funny s'more, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So to begin, we're going to start off by making one rectangular-like shape. This will be our graham cracker. Next, right below, we're going to begin to make the chocolate drizzle. Now if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like the s'mores video, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on the latest videos every single day. You can find the button right below, and it's big and red. Now let's make one curved line on the left, as well as one curved line on the right hand side. This will help make the shape of our marshmallow. Great job! Now right below, we're going to begin to make the second graham cracker. Now if you'd like a moment to catch up, then go ahead and pause the video right here. Awesome, we're back in action. Now in the center of our marshmallow, we're going to begin to make two eyes. This will help make the face. Stick around until the end so that we can color our marshmallow together. Now we'll make two circles, one on the left and one on the right hand side. This will help make it appear as if our marshmallow is blushing. Now last but not least, directly below the center of the eyes, we're going to begin to make the mouth as well as the tongue. This is how to draw a funny s'more. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Learn How to Drill Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.